Hello everyone, so today I'd like to introduce our meticulously crafted LS1212A-6kw to you. And this laser cutting machine, it has a cutting range of 1,200 and 1,200 millimeter and an accuracy of 0.03 millimeters. The maximum cutting speed is 100 meters per minute. So not only it is powerful, but it also excels in safety, convenience, and durability, making it a reliable and efficient partner for your workshops. So first is prioritizing safety production. The entire machine is designed in strict accordance with European safety standards, featuring a fully self-structure that prevents any light leakage. More importantly, its door is equipped with safety sensors, ensuring that cutting will only begin when the door is completely closed. This limits the risk of misoperation at its source, building a self-first line of defense for your safety. Second, exceed your time and efforts in the details. Our Union's dual pneumatic clamp systems, one clamp firmly holds the strip metal in place, preventing movements during cutting and ensuring a smooth, fall-free cut. The other tightly locks the work table, eliminating displacement during operation. With its easily intentable work table, loading and unloading become quick and easy, significantly reducing downtime. A dedicated weight cart is also standard benefit for machine body, allowing cutting weights to fall directly into the car for convenience and centralized cleaning, keeping your workshop clean and organized at all times. Thirdly, its internal design is intelligent and durable. We innovatively integrate the laser into the electrical cabinets with a combined layout that facilitates installation and maintenance. At the same time, the electrical cabinet is equipped with an independent air conditioning system, which not only effectively cools and the machine but also greatly reduces dust industry, ensuring the stable operation of core electrical components, extending the overall machine lifespans and providing dust removal efficiency, far extending that of original designs. Furthermore, the equipment inherently possesses strong upgrade protection. The machine body has built-in refractory brake protection, and the leg power can support up to 12 kilowatts, providing ample room for future six-place cutting and capacity upgrades. Of course, the foundation of all these features remains our stringent machine bed manufacturing standards. Aluminum alloy beams and a high-rigidity machine bed treated with annealing and vibration agents together from the footwork for the equipment's high speeds, long-term stable operation, ensuring you're enjoying consistently priced car every day you use it. So in short, the LS1212A-6kw is not just a cutting machine, but it's a comprehensive and thoughtful production solutions. And choosing it means choosing peace of mind and high efficiency.